My name is Wayne Anthony Ryan. Company's name is Soils Incorporated, and it was founded in 1987. Soils Incorporated produces architectural landscape soils, gray water, retention soils, new lawns from seed, athletic fields. I had the opportunity to test a Hyundai for 3 days. Didn't know anything about the product. Ran it around, and then I took into account the price point, the warranty, but the most important thing was a dealer who'd just taken on Hyundai. I have to mention them, Highway Equipment. Introduced me to Hyundai. My first purchase was a 757 7A rubber tire wheel loader. I didn't know how reliable it was going to be. Almost 15,000 hours later, everything functioned as it should. So after that, I decided to develop my relationship more with Highway Equipment. My next purchase was a Hyundai 160-9 excavators. I was impressed with the quickness and the ergonomic cab. After the 160, I bought two 960 HLs, different series, but a lot of new changes. They have a high mate system. The high mate enables you to conduct your service in a timely fashion. You're not having any premature failures. When you look at the risk reward, if you're a small company like mine, your cost of ownership is 20% lower, but your performance is on par. And then you throw on top of the warranty standard 3 or 3,000, which is the best in the industry. What that builds with me is loyalty. I'm all in for Hyundai, and Hyundai's been all in for me. So it's been a great relationship. These are our mainline machines. If they're not working, I'm out of business. Every piece of equipment is a critical purchase. Can't make a mistake. I'm telling you, with Hyundai, you're not going to make a mistake.